Yesterday I said we are going to learn. Okay, there is something you talked about yesterday. You said we are going to try and treat it. It's commentary. So coming. So today, we are going to be doing data entry. How to create a form on using macro recording and the rest. I just pray I still remember all these stuffs. Yep. Okay, so for what you said yesterday, it's called commenting or commentary or something. So let's just assume this is our table. I think let's just pick this table. Or let's just make another one. Let's see, name, name, sales. So let's say this particular cell, yeah, this particular cell, we want a particular person to fill it or do something about it. Yeah, based on what you said yesterday. So I'm trying to see if is what you meant yesterday. So let's say something might have been there or nothing is there. Might be an empty cell or so let's say this, you go to view. When you go to view, I think you can press F. That should be F2 or F12. But review, you add your commentary ready. So I can say kindly fill this form. Direct is to daily for signing. Yeah, are you seeing it?
Yes.
So anytime something is there, Kuzo is going to show the
Yeah,
commentary.
I know this one, but it's not this one.
Okay.
You know? Yes. Let me share something. Let me share now and show you.
Let me check this. This form. Is this what you mean here? Where you have yes.
Yes. Yes, exactly.
You,
That's it.
you see, it's nice even in what I'm going to teach you today. I didn't even know that's what you're talking about.
That's good. So let's just, I think we are on the same page now.
Okay.
Mm.
So I'm trying to. I want us to learn how to create a form in Excel. It's very important you know how to create a form where people can fill, just like this now.
Mm.
Let's say Adewale is my first name, right? Okay,
Okay.
let's use your name. Yeah.
Okay. Mm.
Mm,
Kemi.
Kemi. Let's say your last name.
Yoko.
Yeah,
AYL.
Yoko. Let's say you are a data analyst, right? Let's say 2367G45 is the ID. Department of what kind of department can we call admin? Right?
Okay.
Female. Maybe your entry time is morning.
Mm.
You see, you like sandwich. I just put it there though. Yes or
Mm.
no? Then here we have drinks. Maybe I don't drink. You see all my information are here now.
How
Yeah.
did, how did you how did you bring this one here?
So
Anyway, that's in part of still what we're learning, right?
so you see this submit. When I click submit, it automatically go to my data. You see, Kemi, Ayoko, data, my name. Yes, this is where my data is storing. Do you get that now?
Okay.
So this is what we are going to learn today. I just pray may
Okay.
God give us the strength and
Amen.
retentive memory. It's been longer I touched this particular uh, kind of class because it's more of advanced class. Yeah, it's more of advanced class. In short, I did not teach Mr. Ayoko this at all because it's more of very advanced. It has to do with macro and a lot of things.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So
You know that macro, they use it to at times process process payment. I think the way you put that some. Let's continue. We'll get there.
So
Let's
in
continue.
a simple format, so let's just remember what is here. First name, okay. Let's do our own. Let's say first name, right? We're trying to create a form. First name. What should we call the title? First name. Let's say second. So last name. So I'm putting a gap in between just to make our work fine. Last name. What do we put again?
Is it just also like the office thing that you're putting?
Yes. What should we
Like
add?
the employee number is
You said?
like the number, the employee
ID.
number,
Okay.
ID, yeah.
Let's just put our title still here. Let's put employee number, ID number now. Gender. See where I put it. Gender. So it's very important to know how you arrange your table. Yeah, I say departments, right? I use the word departments here. So yeah, we have entry. This entry time, I just intentionally use this. What's it called now? It's not menu button. There's a name for it, but it's button. Yeah, I can easily use what I use here for it, regardless. So it makes it faster though, because this is complicated, but we don't mind. What do we put there now? Can't remember.
Entry time.
Entry time. Okay. Entry time. Yeah. Entry time. Okay, let's put something instead of sandwich. Let's say closing hour. File. File number. Let's say file number, right? Closing time. Yeah. This works. So let's match this. Let's match it.
Sorry, someone is just by the door. Can you just give me 2 minutes?
Okay.
Sorry.
So let's just say data. What should we call the headline? Data.
It can be employee data or something.
Okay, let's say employee data. Employee data. So let's give it a color. Let's give it a color. Let's increase this. Yeah. So
Yeah.
we can actually add a logo because the company we have a logo, can actually add a logo. So how do you do that? You just go to insert. Anything you just want to add, you go to insert most of the time. So go to insert. Let me see, maybe I have a logo here to bring in.
But you
So
must have that logo saved already, right?
yes. So I have different kind of logo I did for people. So let me just pick this, insert. You see, my logo is right here. So let me just crop it a little bit. So we have the logo here. Next thing is I just want to, okay, let's leave this one the way it is. I want to differentiate this particular cell. So I give it a different color. Then I give it a border, maybe a thick border to differentiate it. So what I will do is I will just copy it and duplicate.
Okay, that's where those information will come up, Abi.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So I do this. So after doing this, then I can actually okay, close this a little bit, close this. I leave one gap to make the work look more nicer. So I can go to view and shut down the grid.
Okay.
Then you see it's coming out a little by little. It's coming out. So in a bit, let me just round it.
Okay.
Are you getting it now?
Yes.
So I need, before I close it, I need extra this thing here. Yeah. So what you can do is here I can actually just blur it out. Not that actually, I just give it a different color to make it feel some certain way.
But you can come your land, they run and bread in Kogi State.
Are we together?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the first thing that you will do, is arranging everything that you want to do. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Very good. So having done that, the next thing you want to do, is the entry. So this particular, every time I just want to increase it. I want to increase this also. This to so here I want to increase this a little every time. So what I will do here is to go to, I don't know, maybe you have developer on your Excel.
Excel. Let me see.
Check. So we are going to bring developer in. So you come to developer, yes, when I'm done, I will show you how to bring it in. Developer.
Okay.
So you go to developer, come to insert. This is option button here. That's the name, option button. You drag inside here. You see?
Okay.
Then we did the option and add money. So here I click this. If you want to click it, you have to press Ctrl down and click. If not, it won't click. Then I duplicate it. Sorry, man.
How did you duplicate?
You can just Ctrl D it.
After you click Control down.
Yes, to pick it, because you can't just you can't just click on it like pick it. Okay. Normally, you just have to press Ctrl, then you click. It will open. It will show you the editing part. You see, file number. So this file number, now I want the file number to be a drop down. Gender too, there's no option. We only have male and female. So we are not this kind of people. Just gender, male and female. We don't have the middle one.
We can do a drop down for that too, right?
Yeah. So we are going to do a drop down for 3 thing here. 1, 2, 3. And department. Let's say we have 3 departments.
Yeah.
Let's say we have 3 departments. So how do we do that? You come to where you want to do the drop down. Gender. Let's start from gender. You go to data, then data validation. You click it. After clicking your data validation, you will see settings. You'll be in your settings, not input message or error alert. Settings, then allow. You go to list that you want to list. Here now, under the source, I will now write female, male. Then okay. So automatic is there already. So let's say departments, data validation, go to settings, lists. How many departments do we have?
Like for admin.
Admin. IT. Finance. Yes. HR. Yeah, okay. So here, let's say we have our file number. Maybe our file number range from 1 to 10. Yeah?
Okay.
File number. Yeah, still listing. File number 1, 2. Let's just leave it this way. Closing time. What should we do with this?
Can do different time. 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m.
Okay. Those are the 3 p.m., 6 p.m., then 8 p.m. So let's leave it that way. So we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. Yeah, so that's how to do listing. You see, in the process, you'll be learning it. Like I said, when we bring a topic, there are a lot of things that we are going to be doing under that topic that will allow you to see other functions that will work for you. So here now, let's say we list all these things out. first what? First name, uh, last name, last name. We have title. This title we can actually title entry, right? Entry
Entry time.
time, file number, close, no, ID. I think closing time should be the last. Gender, department, and closing time. Are we together now? Okay, very good. So here, the result that we gather here, we want to see it. Yeah, I want to see it. So what do? We press equal sign, you click on this, you enter equal sign, click on this, you enter title equal sign this. Entry is kind of complicated because you have morning and evening close to each other, so let's leave that for now. Let's go to file number. We are still going to get there. Equal sign gender, equal sign departments, equal sign closing time. So for this entry, you can actually make it a list too. You understand? Just that we want it to be, to look nice and more looking like a form. That's why we use this. Yeah. So what do we do? I can actually come here. So what I'm going to do is to come to morning. I said you will control down and click the place for this
Control, I will click control and down.
Control, then you click that inside. Then you click morning, you click inside it, so it shows.
Okay.
Then you right click to show format control. Then you click on check. And this will be asking you cell link. So my cell link will be here, not here. This one is placed, so I put it here, close to the rest. So okay, so it's showing me that if it's morning, it's going to be what? 1. If I click evening, it's going to be 2 automatic here. So here now, what we're going to do is to make a conditional, if conditional. I think, have I taught you that?
We've not gotten there. We're still going to do that. We've not done lookup too. Lookup and co. We've not done all those ones.
We are going to do it. It's not an issue. So don't worry. So if condition, you just write equal sign if. So the logical thing here is if 1 is equal to 1, yeah, if 1 is equal to 1, comma, then if 1 is equal to 1, then
if that cell is equal to 1,
yes, if that cell is equal to itself, is equal to 1, then is morning. Comma, if not, another bracket open, evening, close. So automatically, if I click evening 2, it shows evening now. You see, it's now aligning with what we are doing already. So if you click this, so I can easily just erase this by just giving it the same color so nobody sees what is there. So here we can, let's say, yes or no. So let's change what is here to let's see, are you, I just say, are you sick instead? So let's give this data validation
Okay.
to yes
This one now.
or no. So we have this. So here I can
So we
say
have to change.
what?
We have to
Okay, yeah,
change that ID.
yeah. You sick. So here I can have, let's see, or let me try to write a if condition here. If, okay, coming, let me just put yes here, equal sign if this is equal to yes, if it's equal to yes, so if it's equal to yes, let's say try close your work and go see a doctor immediately. Yeah. So if not, be empty. Let's see. So here, don't worry, we are recording it. Yeah. So let me give it a red. Let me give it italic. Make it smaller. So if no now, nothing, meaning you should continue with his work. If yes, you believe you should just go straight to doctor. Yeah.
Okay.
So we can call this one form. Okay, the form is already taken. Form 1. So the next thing we want to do is to create where the data will be going.
Then we've not done submit.
Yeah, we are coming there.
Okay.
So I still remember. Yeah. So you come to this place. Okay, so we pick this question. You come to data. Now, when you want to paste, you paste special, then value transpose this. So let me see. Let's give it a color. Bold. So this is where our data will be storing. Yeah. So we have this here. Then let's call this row 2. Row 1, 2. Yeah. So we have form. We copy what is here and drop it here because this is where we want our data to be coming. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. So next thing we are going to do is we are going to record. So let's just try to fill this form. first name Adewale. You see, immediately I'm filling the form, it's showing the other side, yeah? Gender, male, department, IT, evening, file number, 5, closing time, 6 p.m. No. So let me just align this to the, so that you can see it, and let me give this a different color. Yeah, you are following, right? So the next,
Yes.
yeah, this logo stays here. Let me just put the logo here, and let me color this back. So okay, very good. Now, so you come to macro developer, come to macro, of which I'm going to show you how to do the macro. So you come to macro, you record. Are you there?
Yes, I'm with you.
We record, then let's save it with record. Yeah, let's say we record, macro name record. Let's say okay. Now you see there's something that is showing here at the top. It's showing stop recording. So you are not going to stop recording. You click this, you copy, then you come to your, not data now, raw. Yeah, come to raw, home, then you paste. Let's say we still want to paste special value, transpose. You see? So the next thing is, the way it is like this, you come to your insert here, let's say come to your insert here, sorry, you copy, yeah, let's copy it. Now you come to your data. Now here you come to your insert, then you said insert copied cell. Don't click on, just don't paste. Insert, this page is very important. Insert copied cells. When you click it, a drop down will be here. Now this drop down normally it should be here. Yeah, so you click on shift cell down, then okay. Are we together? Okay, so you know we are still recording, right? So you go to your phone, then this Adewale, let's delete this, delete, 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 right? Delete, delete. Now you go to your developer and stop recording. Now the next thing we want to do is to create submit. So what do? You go to your developer, go to insert, you click on that particular cell. I say particular, this particular one. You click it, then let's say we drag it here. You choose record, because the name I used to record is record now, you remember? So record. It will be this workbook. Yeah, this particular workbook. So say okay, then you can delete this, type submit. Let's see, maybe it come out well. Pray it comes out well. So here, this place is not necessarily again. What I can do is just to blind it by giving it the same color, or just hide it. Yeah, just hide it. Okay, just hide it. So let's try it, maybe it works. Kemi Ayoko sick. What should we write? No. ID 7444RG. Gender female. So we are picking admin, right?
Anyone?
Admin,
Yes.
morning. File number 4. Closing. Close 8 p.m. Let's submit. So immediately we submit, you see it comes back to. So let's see. Did you see it now? So it's kind of.
Hey.
It's an, like I said, it's an advance.
Yeah, but we have a record of this thing, Abi.
Yes, we are recording.
Okay.
So, in a simple term, this what we are just doing, and I just pray recording, but yeah, it's recording. So it's recording. So it's not. It's complex and it's not complex. Yeah.
It's doable.
It's doable. Yeah. If you
I
set your mind to
another listening to. In fact, to the point where you went to the raw.
Yeah.
You went to macro.
Yeah.
After that macro, you went to recording something.
Yes.
At that point, so that we really need to look back to, maybe so to call stop recording or something like that. But that's okay. I would listen to the. You can continue. I'm still with you.
Yeah. I'm trying to check something here. There's something. Okay, so the next thing you want to do after, because you wouldn't want anybody to tamper with your work, because if you send something like this to someone, they might just tamper it. So let's say we click no, this, where is this thing?
What are you clicking on?
Where the answers are.
What are you? You're just clicking on it.
Yes, you press Control down and you click yes to be picking them one after the other. If you don't press Control down, it won't.
Okay.
It won't. I'm coming. I'm looking for something. Oh my God. I hope I see this thing. Is it view? Is this review? View. Is it developer? No. short it should be view. Should be view. So what we want to do is just to lock this particular cell, yeah, to lock it and lock the spreadsheet generally. But if I did not see it, we just jump it. If I remember, we come back there.
Okay. So
That's
that
fine.
if you lock it, when you send it to anybody, they will be able to fill in their information and still submit. And I will get the data directly to.
Yes, well, if I lock those cells, they will be able to write something there. But I will now not lock now. I will now protect the whole sheet, so they will not be able to tamper with this first name or this thing that they can easily tamper with first name, last name, and put something else. The essence of it will be destroyed. Are you getting the point? So the only thing that they will be able to touch will be all this I'm highlighting that I just want to lock. You get now, right? So let me just right click. I should be able to lock cells from let's see, format cell, protection. Okay, so let me lock this. Now the next thing is to protect the cell. Let's see if it works. That's fine. Diwali. So let's see. This one cannot be touched again. Let's see, maybe this one can be touched.
You can't use that one.
You can't use that one too, yeah. Let me see. Okay, you can't use this one. So you just get back to it. Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't waste time. So let me unlock it and protect. Yeah. So if you want to save this particular file, you just don't save it like the rest. Yeah. When you save as, in short, if you save it like the rest, it won't save. So you will save it as Excel Micro Enable Workbook, not as Excel Workbook. They are two different things, because we are already using macro advanced, so you can't save it as normal Excel anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, you can only save it with this. So don't forget, you might just trying to be saving and it won't save. So just remember that save as type has to be Excel macro enabled. Get that too, right?
Yes.
So that's that.
So once I save it, I will not, if I want to send it to anybody,
Yes.
to be sent as an attachment.
Yes, you can send it as anything. It will still open properly.
Once the person fills it automatically populates in this data, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we've not gotten that part where you protect those places, Abi?
Yes. I will get back. I'm trying to look for something. I can't see it.
That's okay.
So when I get it, I will.
I want to note it down so that I can also remind you.
Yeah. Thank you. So this, in short, just what we just did now. I believe you have learned a lot, because there is a lot that is hidden there.
And I am so excited. You know why? Especially that drop down. Eh?
Yes.
I've worked with a lot of Excel sheets like that has that drop down, and I've been wondering how did this drop down get to this place? How did they put in all this information? So if I do not learn anything today, that one alone, I'm excited about it. And this form too, yes, so this
Thi-
form too.
this form is very important because it will allow you to do a
Very,
lot. You
very
can do a
important.
lot with it. It's not just what we just did now. When if you expand your mind and you try out to accommodate things, then you will know, okay, I can put this way, I can do this way, and I will still achieve the same result.
Yeah.
So it's very important to note that also. Yeah. So uh let me see. There's something again I want us to talk about.
If
'Cause-
if you don't mind, that Google form,
yes,
we did it from the very beginning.
yes.
There's some things there that I might not really remember, but if we can just quickly look through it together again, if you don't mind, that Google form.
Okay, you know what?
You know this.
Let me stop sharing. Let me stop sharing.
We are recording, so I want it to be in the record so that I can always refer to if I have to. You can stop sharing. I can share and try to.
Okay, let me just do that. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me
Okay.
do that. So when we do that, then we just call it a day because I'm sorry, it's going to midnight here, and it's a lot of stress for me. So, uh, so what we are trying to achieve now is as create Google form, right?
Yeah. The main part is where we start to link it.
Okay, link it
There's a
to.
place where we went to get to copy the link that I can send to people and all those parts.
Okay, yes.
Let's
So,
just brush straight.
okay, let's go straight to that.
Yeah.
Let me go to my drive. I think there's one particular one we did of recent. Did we do this joyful sound accessory together?
No, I think it's that Chemical Foods.
Okay, yeah, please.
Yeah.
So it's important that you know that you note also that you can actually divide form. There are some form that is not straight. They will partition and they will tell you by biodata. You understand? After biodata, they will move you to another section. Yeah, it's not just straight. Did you get my point now?
Yes.
Then we have section by section.
Yes.
Meaning when you are done with biodata, your bio, then to take you to another section, maybe they will now ask you your work experience. That one will finish too, then you will see it loading, like you're almost done, you'll be seeing loading till you reach your three section if you are working with three sections. So what they do there is very simple. Just for you to drag this. If I want to divide food categories now, you too can try it in your own. Just for me to drag this add section, drag it out, add it. Where is it now? Okay. Shots. This is not the place I want it to be. So I will click, let's say payments, place this. I will add it. So you see, then I will now name it something, maybe
Delivery or something.
delivery. So anything delivery will be under it. Delivery section. This one fill accordingly. Yeah, it's important you note this also. So you will see if the person fill this form. After filling this first section, the next section, second section, and or you can always break them differently.
Mm.
Well noted then. So here, from response here, it's very important to know that any form you fill with this response automatically compile your chart, but sometimes the chart is not that accurate. Yeah, if you check your own too, you will see it there. You see the list. So you know how to link it to your Excel, right? To your Google Sheet Excel,
Yes. Eh,
where you click this
You.
particular green plus view in sheets. You remember?
Yes.
That's what you did
When we
with
click here
yours
now, you. Yeah.
yesterday. So the next thing is, uh, like I said, you can put your background or anything. I don't know, maybe you put some background at the top here when you are doing yours. So if you want to do that, you customize. You come to header, you can choose. So let me see, is there anyone I've uploaded before? No. So just go to upload. Let's say this particular background here. So I just say okay. Hmm. 25/7. Going to download. Let me see this. Just for sample sake, yeah. So I can just pick this. Done. So when it comes to question, do you see it now? It will give it more, make it more lively. Yeah. So if you want to send now, you come to send, yeah. When you come to link here, this is the link. See how long it is. So you click on shorten URL, make it smaller. You copy. Here, if you want the form to automatically compile their Gmail, you put it. If not, you just let it go. Do not collect. Me, I don't need it. So here, if you want to send the link direct, the form direct to their email, you just type their email here. And if you want to give another person rights to this back end, you come to this add editor. Yeah, you see it's showing Wale as the owner. So I can actually add someone else here. Let's say I add this person. I will now make the person editor. So the person will be like me also on. So anyone with the link restricted is restricted. So majorly,
Is there anything that we do on the settings?
yeah, like I said, the
This
next
setting beside response.
yes, when you want to send
Settings.
settings here.
Settings.
Yes, there's something we do here. Like I said, the response bar. If you want, it's limited. This one is limited to 1. Immediately you submit, meaning it will disappear. But if you want it to keep coming again, like the next, you can actually click again to fill another form. So it won't be limited to 1. You just have to check this.
Okay.
Did you get that also?
Yes.
So so that's for settings. But sometimes I might just want to, the link is just purely link, yeah.
Mm.
So sometimes what's my long, oh, my long link, right?
Mm.
My long link, copy, come to this place, paste it here. Then I will just turn it to Kemi. Short sim must be at least 5. Kemi food. So let's say Kemi food. So I copy now. Kemi food now have,
Yes.
it's just not link only now.